Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you have a Kenmore canister vacuum and you need replacement bags, this one here is the one for it. It's a 50558 for your Kenmore canister vacuum. This is going to be antibacterial vacuum cleaner bag. And again, it's going to have that same applicator as far as putting in the new one. It gives you instructions on how to pull out the old one and then inserting this new one here. And again, this vacuum bag here will be antibacterial. And it's a simple yellow bag for your Kenmore canister vacuums to make sure that's the vacuum you have and that you need model 50558. And if so, this is a great pack here for you. You are going to get multiple in a pack. You're going to get multiple in a pack, so it should last you a while because these bags do hold a lot. So definitely you want to change these bags when they're about 2/3 full so you don't damage your vacuum or get dust everywhere. And it's a little bit easier to remove the bag and dispose of it. Canister replacement for your Kenmore. If definitely check out these vacuum bags if you need to replace that vacuum bag inside your Kenmore canister. And a shout out to the company for gifting me these so I could do a review.